Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, this is Max with Muir Tech Talk. And normally I have some tech for you, but today I have something from a company, Dbrand. And I don't know how many of you follow Dbrand, but they make skins for electronics, cell phones, game systems, laptops, you name it. And occasionally they will make products outside of their normal offerings. So at one point they had a matte black Rubik's Cube, all matte black Rubik's Cube, some other products. But this year, or this time, they came out with something called the Doomsday Kit. And we're going to unbox that right now. So, given light of recent events, in this kit you get one face mask with their robot graphics, some high quality toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and 2 stickers. One saying I did not survive, one saying I survived. So I bought this mainly because, not just for the mask, the mask is cool and everything, but I guess I got this because I saw that every kit there, when every kit that you bought from them, it was going to help towards donating masks to local hospitals in Toronto, Canada. And I just thought, aside from getting this product, it would be nice to, help out a little bit in that respect. So, but nice graphics. I don't know, is this a usable mask? Actually, no, it's just stickers. Alright, so I guess the premise is I make my own mask and then I just put this on it. Alright, that's still cool. Alright, some hand sanitizer, 2 stickers, and a couple sheets of toilet paper. And let's see. Anyway, so this isn't really something I think I would use, but it's a nice presentation anyway. So glad I could help out a little bit, and it's kind of a short video. Just wanted to open it, have fun while doing it. So thanks for watching, y'all, and hope you have a great afternoon. Stay safe, stay well.